News desk coming in from Jammu and Kashmir at the moment. Fierce encounter is taking place between the forces and the terrorists. 2 army jawans have been killed in an intense gunfight. 2 more army jawans have been injured during the firing. 10 army jawans have been injured in the operation so far. Over 3 terrorists hiding in dense forests. What you are seeing are the deferred images coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. There is a fierce encounter that took place between the forces and the terrorists. 2 army jawans, unfortunately, have been killed in the intense gunfight that took place. 2 more have been injured during the fighting. 10 army jawans have been injured in the operation so far. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me on the story. Kamaljeet, we have seen, especially after the terror attack that took place, how the battles, the encounters between the forces and the terrorists have increased many folds, and they have also become more fierce. Unfortunately, 2 army jawans have been killed, 2 more have been injured in this gunfight.
Well, post Operation Sindoor, what we've seen is intensification of cordon and search operations and even encounters. We saw success coming in Operation Mahadev. There was no loss of life. There were headshots given to terrorists. But here in South Kashmir's Kulgam area, these are dense jungles where the operation has been ongoing for 9 days. 1 terrorist has been killed. There was information coming in that more terrorists could be lurking, and that is why the operation has gone on for 9 days now. But sad information really coming in because 2 of the army soldiers have been martyred. There is also a talk about how there are grievous injuries to another 2. But definitely, as far as the spirit in the forces are concerned, remember they have gone behind these terrorists, and this is where the operations continue. The point is that these are dense forests. The topography is extremely tough. There are also not just the forest region, but also the weather, which can actually be a sort of an impediment, and that is why it has taken so long. But remember, the forces have been at it. South Kashmir itself, some of the jungles seem to be linked to some of the other districts, and that is why it is taking extremely long. And there is no giving up as far as chasing and hunting down these terrorists are concerned. But clearly, with August 15th around, there are festival seasons around. This is where intensification of anti-terror operations are concerned. Operations like Kulgam are concerned are ongoing. So shot in the arm because 1 terrorist has been killed. But yes, in these kind of operations, a lot of time because of exchange of fire,